le ring, la confiance est la loi, mais l'arrogance est une condamnation au chaos. Le monde du combat ne pardonne pas les prétentieux. Regarde ces vers de terre qui se croyaient intouchables se faire massacrer. Regarde ce fou. Eric Silva a tenté l'un des coups les plus sales de l'histoire. Il a fait semblant de toucher les gants pour balancer un crochet, mais Nordine y est allé à fond et lui a rendu la monnaie de sa pièce brutalement.
And of course, two champions work there. Verdum and Dos Anjos. Right back up, Silva trying to engage. Oh, look at that. Wow! Touch of gloves. Kind of. And he faked him out with a left hook. Silva. And Silva attacks back with a kick of his own. Oh, my! Hard shot. It's all over! He's out. Nordine to left. Wow! Knockout! Wow!
Et combattant, avant de continuer à regarder la vidéo, abonne-toi à la chaîne pour ne pas prendre un KO. Et ce n'est pas tout. Il a hurlé pour semer la terreur et a fini silencieux à coups de poing.
Levan has almost taken the last minute off, trying to get some extra breathing.
Tu crois que c'est fini? La grande gueule Blair Cobbs a fait un show d'arrogance pour les caméras en racontant de la merde dans les interviews.
Face, nobody's gonna remember your face. You know why?
You're one fight from the commentary booth.
Star.
You're one fight from the commentary booth.
Last words, why are you gonna win?
Because I'm the baddest man on the planet, period.
Don't be calling him right now.
I'm just so busy. I'm so busy just whipping ass all day that like I don't even have time to just finish this fight. This fight's not gonna go the distance.
Mais sur le ring, Alexis Rocha l'a forcé à ravaler chaque mot.
You know what you're going to expect. He's so unorthodox. He's so come from behind. He can pull out something from anywhere. So that's why I'm glad the referee didn't stop this fight, even though he is taking a beating.
Big right hook almost caught. He was nearly caught up in the ropes. The mouthpiece is out, and Rocha is all over him. That is it. What a performance from Alexis Rocha.
Il a payé très cher sa propre fierté. En se moquant, ce combattant semblait demander plus de coups, mais après une séquence brutale, il a embrassé le tapis.
Cosmo says you've got to do better than that. One knockdown from touch. Oh, spinning hook kick, how do you do? Nicky Holzken trying to go Puctomania and steal the round. He's having it. Nothing, come on!
Et voilà le clown. Adeleye a lâchement attaqué avant le combat. Mais le lendemain, Fabio Wardley a présenté l'addition avec les intérêts et la grande gueule s'est fait tabasser sans pitié.
And Wardley still waiting for his opportunities. Oh, big shot! Tremendous combination from Fabio Wardley. Wardley picking the opportunities. Adeleye now got very little in the way of resistance. Has he got one? Strong shot, the left hook is the one that he's been trying throughout the contest. Wardley now opens up. Has he got enough time at the end of the 7th round? He has. The referee steps in. Adeleye is furious, but it's all over.
Et ça ne s'arrête pas là, Zuluzinho est une montagne de graisse, mais il a agi comme un amateur. Il s'est arrêté pour célébrer prématurément et a goûté à la saveur amère de la défaite. Ce qui devait être la gloire est devenu une honte.
Продолжает идти вперед. Человек-гора Зулузиньо. Ой, вот это попал! Сейчас Зулузиньо. И что? Раунд завершен. Или будет засчитан нокаут. Победа. Зулузиньо нокаутировал Юсупа Шуаева. Нет, время.
Maintenant écoute ça, Beth Correia a payé pour voir le poids de la main de Ronda Rousey et l'a regretté amèrement.
Good, step back, good luck to both.
They're not touching anything. In the white, the Brazilian, the champion in the black. Nicely done with the uppercut on the clinch. And the knee. Ronda's hand speed, unbelievable. Down goes Correa. Ronda's teeing off on her here. Ronda trying to finish it. She's in trouble. Ronda with the knee now. Klitschko has big trouble. It's all over, just like that.
Maintenant écoute ça, il se croyait imbattable jusqu'à ce qu'il se fasse brutalement mettre KO et embrasse le tapis.
Cuban boxers just naturally talented, but yeah, his hand speed, as you've said, is exceptional to be quite honest, and he's so deceiving for the look of the fella. He has got very fast hands indeed.
Of him lining up a fight with either of the Klitschkos in 2014, which is what the plan is.
Yeah, good right uppercut that just went in there from Solis. Saglam just stood back and put his hands in the air. You have to say that didn't hurt me, but... There's the shot that he's looking for. It's all right, put your hands up. That was a good punch there from Solis. Good shot there, it was, the right hand, and again.
Now, can Solis do a bit of damage here? He's got him on the rope, Salam. Salam's going to have to hang on a bit here and grabs hold of Solis. And for the first time in the fight, with a minute left just under the 7th round, Solis explodes into life. Oh, look at that right hand! What a massive shot!
Dans une interview, Makhmoudov a fait la conversation et a clairement fait comprendre qu'il ne se soucie que de l'opinion de ses parents.
What do you want people to walk away Saturday night saying about Makhmoudov?
When people say about me?
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think about what people think about me. I just my focus to be good person, be good guy, good boxer. That's it.
Tu crois que c'est fini? Valera a ignoré la peur et a utilisé sa technique bizarre pour survivre jusqu'à la fin, mais l'arrogance n'a pas vaincu le talent. Au dernier round, le vrai maître du ring est devenu clair.
И все-таки, несмотря что произошло до этого раунда с доминиканцем, я хочу сказать, что хороший он парень, хороший боксер. Потому как испытывает уже большие трудности, испытал их. Посмотрите, как он себя ведет. Паники нету, пытается, ищет. Какие-то такие движения, танц ногами, это все для того, чтобы прийти в себя. Молодец, нет слов. Вот. Все хорошо, все получается.
Левый боковой. Еще раз. И еще комбинация.
Голова в сторону болтается у доминиканца, стоит. Из стороны в сторону.
Просто не валяшка какой-то.
Да, из каких-то редких доминиканских пород выковали этого Феликса Валеру.
И танцует.
Мужает просто на глазах, да, этот парень, я имею в виду Бивола.
Очень хороший боксер. И он заслуживает этой победы, как и другого.
Mais calme-toi, il y a encore un idiot dans la file. Il cherchait la gloire, mais il a trouvé le massacre. Il a essayé de frapper et est reparti détruit.
Midway through the opening round.
Oh, a tremendous right hand shot there in Pryor. Solid shot, Randy.
There's a minute 15 to go in the opening round.
I think he's got to come in flat-footed, and he's got to land some power shots and stop Aaron Pryor like he did in the first 2 rounds, and he's not doing it. I think that when Aaron moves in, he seems to get the harder punches, and he comes in with good right hands. Bobby Joe Young stunned him. Just as I said that, Bobby Joe Young stunned him. Without question, Bobby Joe hurt him with a left-right combination.
Bobby Joe Young, Aaron Pryor with his back to you, now on the left of the screen with the black stripes on his shorts. I'm Randy Gordon along with Letterman.
Oh, what a right hand! Randy, Bobby Joe Young landed a tremendous right hand, and Aaron Pryor is on clear streak.
He is shaking, the legs are just quivering.
He got counted out. He actually got up, was down to one knee, and got counted out. Unbelievable.
That reminds me of what Jerry Quarry did.
Tu as kiffé voir cette embrouille épique? Alors tu vas halluciner le jour où Jake Paul a détruit Nate Diaz en boxe. C'est curieux? Alors clique direct sur la vidéo qui s'affiche sur ton écran et va voir ce combat légendaire.